Hi and welcome back. In this video, we're going to talk about launching multiple processes. So you can launch multiple processes with Python. You can have your main Python process that gets created when you launch your Python app, and you can ask your Python code to launch another process. When you do that, each process can have its own thread running in two separate cores. Okay, so the two processes will be entirely separate from one another. As part of doing that, it can also set up communication between the processes, and that communication is slow, but it can allow us to run two things actually at once in two separate cores. It's not entirely that simple. Let's have a look at some code. Okay, I'm going to copy some things from the earlier section here. Oh, sorry, let's copy from here. So I'm going to copy all of this, and I'm going to delete the thread code in here, and I'm going to delete that. So what we've got are our two functions, ask user and complex calculation. Once again, we've got our timing functions, and we're going to ask the user first, run the complex calculation second, and print out how long that took. If you want to have multiple processes, you can do that. All you have to do, say from multiprocessing, import process. Now you have the process class from the multiprocessing module, and you can use that to launch a new process. Let's do it. We're going to say the new process is process, target is complex calculation. So that's going to be the target of this process. And then we're going to say process.start. We're going to say start equal time.time. We're going to ask the user for something. We're going to wait for the process to finish running, and then we're going to print, to process total time is time.time minus start. Okay, very similar to what you would expect from the thread code processes. You've got your new process, you give it a target, you start it, and then when you want it to wait until it finishes, you do join, and that's it.